It's the row that represents the woe that's hit the taxi industry. There's a lot of yellow parked on the streets of Greenpoint.
They'll be taking all the parking here.
Tough to find parking in this neighborhood, huh?
Yeah, it is. The reason why is because all these yellow cabs here are always taking a spot.
Gus Kotogiannis owns the company that manages those taxis for various medallion owners.
You think I want them parked?
Each key on a hook represents a car that should be out making money. So what happened?
All our drivers are left. They went to Uber.
Uber, the ride-hail app that's gone from a handful of drivers to more than 160,000 nationwide in the space of 2 years. After clashing with the company, the de Blasio administration is now studying Uber's impact and how to address it.
Open up, please.
At McGinnis Management, so many drivers switch to Uber, some nights more than 100 taxis sit idle. Kotogiannis says some of these taxis haven't been out on the street in 8 months. And guess what's piling up inside the dispatch office? Millions of dollars worth of medallions. No reason to buy cars for them, only to have them sit unused on the street.
At least in here, I don't need parking space for it.
The company uses a mapping program to keep track of what's parked where and when they need to be moved.
I need 5 hours a day to move cars. To not get tickets.
Kotogiannis hopes a new ride-hail app for yellow taxis will help the industry. But for now, the lounge where drivers used to wait for a car is empty, while dozens of cars wait for drivers. In Greenpoint, Brooklyn, Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.